would like to go over the proper installation of a window. On this particular house, it's framed with 2x6 outside walls. Now remember, that gives us 33% more insulation in the wall cavities on the outside. Applied to that, we have a layer of 7/16 OSB plywood. That is for good structural strength. On top of the OSB, we have 1/2-inch rigid styrofoam. That gives us a good thermal break from the outside to the OSB. On the outside of that, we put a weatherization product, which right now is Tyvek house wrap. These are the steps we're going to be taking. The first process, of course, we're going to double check and make sure that the window is square. Now the time to do that is during the framing stage. Make sure during the quality assurance checks, check for plumbness and squareness of the windows, doors, and on such as that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the house wrap and we're going to cut the house wrap back in an I form. We'll cut the top of the house wrap up at a 45-degree angle and get it out of the way. We'll take the sides and we'll wrap them around to the inside. After that, we'll put a flexible sill pan down, run it up about 6 inches on both sides of the window buck. And then we'll fold it down. And then we'll caulk in around the window on the sides, top, but not the bottom. We'll set the window in place using shims on the bottom. Then we'll come back and we'll tape the outside of the window to the weatherization wrap. Tape the top of the window. We'll peel the wrap down to the window and we'll tape off the seams. And that will give us a complete window installation.